Salut tout le monde et bienvenue à Language Fluent. Je suis Lia, votre enseignante de langue français ici. Et aujourd'hui, on va apprendre les prépositions de l'IA. Les prépositions de l'IA. So hello everybody and welcome back to Language Fluent. I am Ria, your language instructor at Language Fluent, and today we are going to learn and we are going to understand the prepositions of places. Les prépositions de lieu. Alright? De lieu à lieu. Alright? So let's get started with very basic prepositions. That is 10 basic prepositions, and then we'll move further. Alright? So the very first is sur. Sur. That is on top. Something is on top of something that we're gonna tell it like sur. This is if it's a pen, le stylo est sur the boîte. That is, the stylo is on the box. Alright. So then we have sous. Sous is under something. If something is under something, then we will be telling it like sous. Many people have a misconception that sous or sur is similar or it is pronounced similarly, but no, mind it, it's sur, sur, and it is sous, sous. Alright, sous and sur. There is a swing in sur, that is on, and the sous is something like sous. Alright, nothing similar is here. Alright, the pronunciation is also different, and also the meaning is as well as different. Alright, so let's move further on the third part, that is à côté de. À côté de, that is beside or next to. La fille est à côté de moi. The girl is beside me, that is next to me. She is standing beside me. À côté de. There is accent on a as well as on o as well, because there is a circumflex on the o. That is to, it depends what the context is here. That is, the is also used in from or for or to as well as. Alright, à côté de. Dans. Dans. Dans is inside. If something is inside that it's a cupboard, and if I put this marker inside the cupboard, that is dans. Le stylo est dans la cupboard. Alright? So then we have devant. Cinquième est devant. Devant is in front, in front of, sorry. In front of. Au, then we have set, we have au-dessous de. Au-dessous de. Septième is au-dessous de, that is above. That is, something is above something. That is, marker is on my hand. That is, le stylo est au-dessous de ma main. Right? That is my hand. Au-dessous de, that is above. Loin de. Loin de, that is far. Loin is far from. That is, the is being used as of or from. It depends that how it is placed in the sentence. Alright, loin de, that is far from. Alright, then we have près de, that is near from. Près de. Près de is near from. Alright, then we have devant. 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 Devant, we have already, I've already explained you. Devant. So it is in repetition. Devant, in front of. Alright, so let's move further with some more words. Are in various stages and in the various parts, that is à gauche, à droite, and also après, and also there are a lot of which we are using in prepositions. So the meaning of that is to or at. Alright, the meaning of de is for or from. Alright, we are using a lot of de as well, autour de, or à gauche de, à droite de, or à côté de, en face de. Alright, so the meaning, the common and the generalized meaning of is to or at, and the generalized meaning of the is for or from. Alright, So avec is with. If something is placed with something, that is avec. Il stylo et avec le stylo noir. Alright? So then we have avant. Avant is before. Alright? Avant is before. Alright? So if something is placed before it, if something is placed before the another object, that is avant. Alright? Then we have après, that is after. Alright? After, the next or after. En face de. En face de. We have learned the meaning of devant. Devant is also in front of, and also en face de is also in front of. But en face de can also be used at the place of opposite. Alright? Opposite or en face de. The meaning is similar. So the meaning is not similar. The word is similar for that. Alright? En face de. Then we have sans. Sans is without. Alright? Without. Then we have sauf. Sauf, that is except. If we are using anything in any sentence, that is we are using except, then we have to write sans. Sauf. Alright? Sauf. Then we have contre. Contre is against. Against, it can be opposite or beside, it can be anywhere, but something should be against an object. Alright? Then we have pour. Pour is for or in order to or to. It have the same word, that is pour. If we want to place a sentence with the help of for or in order to or to, then we need to put pour for that. Alright? Pour. Then we have chaise. Chaise. Chaise is at someone's place, that is chaise. Alright? Je suis allé chez ma tante. I am going to my aunt's place. Alright? At someone's place is chaise. Then we have entre. Entre is between. Entre is between. Then we have pendant. Pendant. Pendant is during or for. During some, it's usually the word is used in any kind of duration, but it is also a preposition as well. Alright? En is, we are using a lot of en in the prepositions, that is in or by. The meaning is in or by. En is in or by. We have autour de. Autour de. Autour de is around. Alright? Then we have à gauche. À gauche is left. À droite, that is right. À droite. À droite is on the right. On the répète, we are going to repeat it once again. Avec is with. Avant is before. Après is after. En face de. En face de. Opposite or in front of. Then we have sans is without. Then we have sauf is except. Then we have contre. Contre, that is against. And we have pour, that is for or in order to or to. Then we have chaise, at someone's place. Then we have entre is between. Entre, that is between. Pendant. Pendant is during. En is in or by. Autour de, that is around. À gauche. À gauche, that is on the left. À droite, that is on the right. If you want to get it imbibed in your head, then you need to learn it thoroughly and rewind my video again and again to learn how I am pronouncing it. Alright, if the cat is on the box, then how will we frame the sentence? Le chat est sur. Le chat est sur le boîte. Sur de boîte. Alright, the cat is on the box. Le chat est sur de boîte. And if the cat is under the box, that is, we have here sous, alright? That is sous. Le chat est sous le boîte. Alright, and if the cat is behind or the box is the box is forward and the cat is before the box, then how will be frame sentence? Le chat est avant la boîte. In the context of box we are speaking here, that is why we are using avant. Alright, if the cat, if the sentence is in context of cat, then le chat est avant la boîte. Alright, but the context is box here, that is why we are using le chat est avant la boîte, that is before the box. Alright, and if the cat is moving around the box, then le chat est autour de la boîte, is around the box, it's somewhere around the box. Alright, so yes, that's all. You can frame much more interesting sentences with these prepositions, and yes, that's all for today. C'est tout. Alors, so if you really like the video and today's session of prepositions, then please don't forget to like, share, and also don't never forget to press the bell icon of the video to stay updated with the content of Language Fluent. And if you guys really want to learn the whole course of French with us, then you can always go into the description box right below my video. There's a form, you can fill that and always enroll for our course. And also there are numbers given below my video, you can contact on them anytime. And also we offer the translation and interpretation services as well, you can go for that. And yes, that's all. C'est tout. Bisous bisous. Au revoir.